peace is not passive. It is not the absence of war. True peace is the most powerful, terrifying, and enforcing force in the universe. And we have forgotten her name. Her name is Idemili, and her absence is the reason our land feels unbalanced. We cry for justice without mercy. We seek power without nurture. We have law without true peace. The textbooks call her a river goddess. This is a weak translation. Her name, Idemili, means pillar of water. She is the foundational support of life itself, and her primary symbol is the python. The python is non-venomous. It does not bite. It constricts. This is the first brutal truth. Idemili's peace is not a suggestion. It is a powerful, constricting force that suffocates chaos and disorder. To kill the python is not just a taboo. It is a direct attack on the mechanism of peace itself. It is an invitation for that force to turn on you. Here is the second brutal truth. Idemili is the spirit of the environment. She is the ecosystem. When we pollute her waters, when we hunt her sacred messenger, when we cut down her forests, her response is not a warning. It is a direct and devastating consequence. The river dries up, the fish die, the crops fail, children get sick. There is no court of appeal. There is no plea bargain. This is not cruelty. This is natural law. She is the environment taking its revenge. The third brutal truth is about power. Idemili is a female deity. Her energy is feminine, intuition, nurture, patience, creation. In a world that often dismisses this as weakness, Idemili is a reminder of its primordial power. Her priesthood was dominated by women. To ignore the wisdom of women, to silence the voices of the Umuada, daughters of the land, is to sever our connection to Idemili. A land without her is a land where authority becomes tyranny because it has lost its foundation of balance. So how do we call her back? We don't call her back with shouts. We call her back with actions. We realign ourselves with her brutal, life-giving laws. We call her back by cleaning what we polluted. We call her back by protecting what we feared.
We call her back by honoring the wisdom we ignored.
This is not a request. It is a requirement for survival. The calling back begins in your heart. It begins with a vow. Say it with me. I will never harm her sacred python. I will defend her waters. I will honor the feminine principle within and around me. I will become a pillar of her peace. We don't look for Idemili in the past. We invoke her with our choices. We will see her reflection in a river that runs clean again. We will feel her presence when a community finds balance. We will know she has returned when peace is no longer weak, but is the most powerful force in the land.